Right up front, I will admit that yes, my goal of this video is to get you to go watch a couple of other videos, but if I do my job right, you're gonna want to go watch those other videos, because the rule here that I'm talking about, if you don't listen to it, or you forget about it, or you don't even know about it, it can and will eventually bring you pain. For all you know, maybe if it's already brought you pain before and you just thought, whoa, that was kind of random, when in all actuality, it wasn't random, and that's why this tool is so important. Now, before I get to it, I wanna just give this person a shout out, part of my community. I love it, no shame. They're sharing their mistakes. They're sharing this because other people can learn from it. And that's what I think is very special about the community that I offer, is it's just real people, not trying to pretend, not trying to hide things, people just sharing their mess ups so that we can all learn. So if you are looking for a community to join of traders that are quality traders, but also willing to share those messed up moments, then definitely check it out and consider it. Just go to claytrader.com/team. So now let's get to the message and what was this mistake. So this member told us, today is a lesson to check the economic calendar. What is the economic calendar? How do you use it? And where does its power come from? Well, I've done a couple of videos on it, like I said at the beginning, and definitely need to go watch those videos because I'll go into much more of the details. And I will put a link down to both of these videos below the video, so definitely go and watch them.
It's all there, black and white, clear as crystal.
Now, to just give you a very, very brief summary, the economic calendar is a tool that will tell you when speeches are going to be given, when economic reports are going to be released, but it just tells you when certain things are going to occur. When I say when, I mean literally down to the exact time, so that you are aware of when certain things that could influence the market and influence price movements. It's amazing how a speech or a single report can, affect how billions, if not trillions of dollars trade, but that's just the world that we live in. And as day traders, you gotta make it a rule to always be checking the economic calendar, because when you don't check it, well, let's take a look at the results, and yeah, an over $2,000 loss.
Oh, no. Oh.
Once again, shout out to this member for being just so transparent. I mean, nobody wants to be like, yeah, I just took a $2,000 loss, wiped away all my gains, and then some. But it happens, and it's a good reminder to those of us that know about it. Always remember to check it. If you don't know about it, well, now you do, and you need to go learn about it, watch those videos. Or maybe you're somebody that, like I said earlier, you're thinking, oh, I was in this trade and then the price just randomly went crazy. Now, to be fair to you, maybe it did randomly go crazy, but I have a sneaky suspicion that you weren't checking the economic calendar and it went crazy at a time when you knew it could go crazy. So you could either plan around it or plan for it. But like I said, I say this from a beginner. I remember as a beginner thinking, well, I'm in these things and then the price just spikes randomly. And then I learned about the economic calendar. It's like, oh, so I can know when these sorts of things are going to occur. And yes, you can. So definitely go learn more about the economic calendar. It is a day trader tool that you've got to understand and you've got to use, because when you don't, as you saw here, it can bring the pain. So if you have any questions or anything like that, leave those down below. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and go check out those other videos and make sure you're well versed in the economic calendar. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.